Hey guys, OPPO is working on Find X7 series and the launch is likely just around the corner. Regular OPPO Find X7 and flagship level OPPO Find X7 Ultra and OPPO Find X7 Ultra satellite communication version. Yes, satellite communication options are now available finally Android phone with the OPPO Find X7 series. So there will be no Find X7 Pro. And this is the first look OPPO Find X7 Ultra satellite communication version, and this is the 3D render look, and this is also X7 Ultra box. And finally recently OPPO Find X7 series display spec are revealed. The OPPO Find X7 will be have a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a 1.5K resolution, but the Ultra variant have a slightly bigger display. The phone comes with 6.82-inch 2K resolution LTPO panel. The panel will be using same technology Vivo X100 Pro and OnePlus 12. Of course, the phone also comes with 4500 nits peak brightness. Let's now talk about the camera section. The OPPO Find X7 featuring a triple camera setup, a 50 megapixel Sony Latia 808 main sensor, 48 megapixel OB64B telephoto periscope zoom lens with 3x optical zoom, and 50 megapixel ultra wide. And OPPO Find X7 Ultra series is the first smartphone come with dual periscope telephoto camera, 50 megapixel main sensor Sony Latia 900, 50 megapixel Sony IMX 890 periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 6x optical zoom. And the phone also come with 50 megapixel ultra wide. OPPO Find X7 come with MediaTek Dimensity 9300, and OPPO Find X Ultra variant come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, and out of the box the phone running Android 14 with ColorOS 14, and all three model powered by 5000 mAh battery and also 100 watt fast charging, and Ultra model also come with a 50 watt wireless charging. So I am very much excited about OPPO Find X7 series, so let me know in the comment section your thoughts. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.